do you think? Can we sell this lamp? I doubt it. CD's nuts. That's frilly. We found a book about Sat on Saturday, because today is Saturday. A gas in a container will escape through holes of microscopic size as long as the holes are larger than the gas molecules. This process is called diffusion. If a gas of molar mass... It's very noisy. I like these things a lot. Pretty sure those will come loose. Let's see. What do you think? I think we can live without it. What paper is this? Who knows? Alright, little Hitachi TV. This is great. We found some good stuff, and I didn't even show you the real estate sign with their phone number on it. Batting 1,000 today. That is as empty as it gets. What it looked just out of curiosity. Oh my God, we weren't kidding. Is it broken? I guess not. I see. Oh, thank God. Thank God. See that? See? It's been cracked and repaired. Which means no one's going to want to buy it, which means I'm not going to take it. Yep. See, when things are cracked and broken, you can still use them, but no one wants to buy them. And that was going to take a lot of space in the Camry, so I think we just dodged a bullet there. Did I pop the trunk? I should lube that, huh? How are these things coming along? Ha! Worked like a charm. That one's a little sticky. So, you want to try a little persuasion on that one? No, we'll do that later. Yeah, they're fine. Alright, what's this? That's such a nice thing. Such a broken thing. It used to be a nice thing. That is a pretty looking Huffy. We don't really want Huffies though. So we'll take this giant. That is so cool. It's going to be a tough sell because this year everyone wants clean bikes. And this is not clean. But you know what? I'm going to take it anyway. What do you think's in here? Is the bike garbage too?
You have the bike.
Okay.
I didn't realize that you had it.
My God. Better lock this thing up.
I got it since I started in 1981, 82 out of college. Well, you want to? This is the original Craftsman. Look, it still even got stuff in it.
Check it out.
Oh, yeah. This is momentum.
There you go. All right.
The bikes are good. The TV stands are all good. That was for one. That's for a big one. 75 inch.
There you go. Don't want to throw out your toolbox though.
No.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Have a good day. Oh yeah. This guy always puts out metal. Jeez. That is so heavy. I'll tell you why. It's not the engine part, it's that part. All right, what else? Car parts. Jeez. See, this part goes on here, and once it pops off, well, that's bad. Go look that up on eBay for me, will ya? You can look this one up too if you really want to. I wouldn't waste your time. Oh, and look at these big speakers I got before. Yeah, I've been here barely an hour and the car's all loaded up. It's a good day. Whoa. Look at that. These are brass pipes. And I know this guy doesn't want me to disrupt his precious bundle of whatever the hell this is, but I'm gonna have to. because I don't want the rest of this crap. Look at these. Ugh. These are like super long. Not even gonna fit in the trunk, are they? Nope. Maybe we could stuff them in there somehow. Nope. Iron pipes on a glass TV screen? What do you think? That's so cool though. Should we do this? No. Wow. That is the flimsiest hunk of junk faucet I've ever seen in my life. Wow. That's pretty neat though. Does it even have a brand on it? Alright, I guess we'll take it, but we have to shove it in the bag, which I will do off camera. Ooh. That didn't work too well. Now this one. The hell? That is by far the most lightweight cast iron sink I've ever found. I'm gonna have to rearrange this load later. Everything's kind of on top of each other. See? Can't even close the trunk. It's a fantastic day though so far. And everything we found is black. That's weird. See? Black bucket, black TV, black speakers, black laptops, black bikes. Here's my old winter gloves, they're black. Black sweatshirt down there, and I'm actually recording this on a black camera. Let's go find some stuff that's, I don't know, blue, red, yellow, anything? Primary colors, pink, whoosh. Our prayers have been answered. Check this out. No. But we have orange spaghetti. Oh my god. And yes, the sinks were blue and the brake rotors are kind of rust colored and that wire is yellow. This is green. We're not all Trent Reznor out here. Give me a break. I think we still got some room. Today's one of those days of trash picking that kind of makes up for all the crappy days where we didn't find anything. So we were finding a ton of stuff today. Really? All right. This is disgusting. That's what it's like going trash picking sometimes. Oh my god, this is so nasty. What was this? Let's see. A lawnmower doohickey? Gross. That's why sometimes I wear gloves and sometimes I don't. Because some of this stuff is nasty and most of it's not. Ugh. I don't like the way this giant is encroaching on the other bike. Let me see if I can fix that. That might keep it in place. We'll see. Oh, see this other bike I found? The Fuji? It's not bad, right? I'm pounding out aggression and it turns into obsession. I cannot stop the battery. Ugh. It's so heavy too. That's a nice battery. Anything else over here that we can't live without? Maybe? All right. I think we need one more pile and then we can wrap this video up. What do you say? I just forgot to record the part where I got this bike out of the pile. Look at the size of the spokes on this thing. Like these spokes versus these ones over here. It's like night and day. And check out where the fenders mount to the fork. It's the best bike I've seen in the history of ever. But we can't forget cord cutting. Very important. So, that's kind of a cool thing. And the, whatever that is. So I guess that's going to do it for this part of the pick, specifically the part that I record on video. I'm going to stay out for a while more. Go wash my hands somewhere. Oh yeah, I didn't show you this GT I got either. Wow, I'm not showing you guys anything. What's the point of making the video if I don't show you nothing? Yeah, there it is. The white GT. In stark contrast to everything else we found. That's going to do it for us today. I might see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to rain, so you know, if your screen gets wet, that's why. I don't know what that says. It doesn't work. So I do appreciate you guys coming out. And until next time, thanks for watching.